Hello everyone and welcome to the Linux command line tutorial series. This is tutorial number 2. In this video we will learn about list command or ls. List is a command which lists directory content of present working directory. Let's open the terminal and dig deeper into ls command. So I'll open up my terminal. The way to show spotlight search is command plus spacebar. I'll make it full screen and bump up the size. I hope you guys can see it. So first, as I said, we will be learning about ls command. So let's open up the manual and see what manual has to say. So if you see under synopsis, you can see how the command is used. So you say ls, and this all are flags which you can use to modify your listing or modify your command. And this is file or file path. Generally, it will be a directory. So let's get out of this manual by using Q. Once again, covering all these flags is out of the scope of this video. I will show you the ones I think are important. You can come back here and explore should you choose to. So hit Q and we are here. So basic ls command will show you contents of present working directory. So as you can see, we have desktop here. So we can say ls and we can say desktop and it will show us stuff on the desktop. We can try to list content of documents, and so the way I autocomplete is using tab. So if let's say you hit tab when you are just having D, it will show you the options with just capital D, and you can narrow it down or you can just type it out and hit tab again and hit enter. And this is the first time, so ls, and you can see it here. Next thing we can do is we can list content from the root directory. So ls, we can do the same for home directory. As you can see, we are already in the home, so doing just ls or doing this doesn't make any difference. Another way to list home directory is ls / users, and I think it was yash. So as this is my present working directory. If you wish, so let's clear this out and do ls. Let's cd, once again it's changing directory. I'll hop over to my desktop and you can see I'm on the desktop, and if I do ls I will see contents on my desktop. But if you wish to list items, list directory or files from the previous folder, what you can do is ls ... and dot can loop over. Okay, so you can do ... / ... it will go like on top level of the tree. Okay, so as you can see, this is where it goes. Let's clear it out. So this was like basic stuff. Now let's make it more fun. Now we will learn about flags along with the list command. So the first one is ls-l. This is a long format. This shows us file permissions as well. So let's go back, change directory to the previous, which is home, and let's do ls-l again. So here you can see file permissions, and this is file size, like this stuff, 160, 64 to 56. That's the file size, and this is name of the file or directory. Next thing we will use, the next flag which we will use is ls-s. So this will sort the content of the directory in descending order. So it will be more clear if we combine two commands. So that's even possible. You can combine two commands. So here we will combine ls and we will list, we will use the long format along with sorting. So, and now we can see like this sizes are decreasing from top to bottom. So we learned about long, we learned about sorting. Now let's go ahead and learn about clear. Okay, I got it. So here, if you see, we only see all the stuff which we really see. But if you wish to see hidden files, you can do ls-a and you can see the hidden files which start with a dot. And let's clear it out. Another one is ls-1, and this will always put in like a list, like it will make it cleaner to see. Like if you do ls--a, you get like this. But if you wish to see everything in vertical, like in one column, you can combine this a with 1 and it will be in like one whole column. Next thing, so we covered -l, we covered -a, we covered -s for sorting. It's much more clear when you use sorting along with long format, so you can see the sizes. Another thing we can do combine is we can use this, which is a wildcard character. So this is called a wildcard character, and we can use this character to narrow down our listing. So let's say right now, let's hop over to our desktop and let's clear this out. As you see, I have a tester folder right down there, and I have a bunch of stuff inside the tester folder. So let's go ahead and list things inside my tester folder, and this is all I have. So let's make it more cleaner, and we will say ls-1 so that we can see everything in vertical column and tester. So you can see I have a bunch of HTML and TXT files. So let's go ahead and just search for HTML files. Okay, so we will do the same thing. So once again, this flag is just to make it narrower or give it some other look. If you don't want, you can skip the flag part right now. So we will do tester, and we will use the wildcard character and .html. This will just show us HTML files. So once again, let's do it with the flag so that it's much more cleaner. So tester.html, and we get three files. So how about as you can see here, there are two files, like two different kind of files with the same name. So we can search in the other way around as well. So we will do tester/1.wildcard character. This will search for all the files with file name 1, and they can have different kind of extensions. So here we can see we get 1.html and 1.txt. So once again, let's use a normal one, and we are still in the desktop, and let's show contents of tester. And as you can see, I have one directory, which is public directory. What if you wish to see only directories? There is a way to do that. You can say ls-d, and here you will say /tester and // and this will only show you public. Easier way would be to change directory to tester. You come in here, you do ls-d, and you can use a wildcard and a /. This will only show you the directories. So once again, list command is not limited to this flags. There's a ton of things to explore. You can come here, explore more, and find something which you want to be using. Anyways, if you have any questions, post them in the comments. If you like my video, don't forget to hit like, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time.